Hello and welcome to this week's Trade of the Week on Tuesday, the 7th of May 2024. On the 22nd of April, we went long the Dow Jones Industrial Average at these levels here. You can see around 38,000. And since then, we got very close to our stop, which we had moved higher. But we basically remained within our trade. So that trade is still ongoing. If you are still long and you haven't cashed in your profits on that one, then perhaps what you may want to do is just move your guaranteed stop loss to above your entry level, thereby having a free trade on. But basically, the trend is your friend, and it looks as if, at least short term, it reverted to the upside, and that further upside is in store for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. And the story is quite similar with regards to last week's Trade of the Week, where we went long the German DAX futures contract, as you can see here. We also are in profit on this one. We went long, I believe, on the 29th, around here at 18,148. Then got a pretty big hit, but remained above our stop loss level. And since then, we are back in profit. So again, here, it's very likely that we will continue to advance now that we've broken above these previous highs. But what you can do is either move your stop loss level to just above break even with a guaranteed stop loss, thereby potentially incurring no loss, or you can move your stop level. Well, you can leave it where it was previously below the 25th of April low if you want to leave it wider. And that's really up to you. And this week, what I would like to do is look at something which is not correlated, because obviously the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the DAX 40 are highly correlated markets. So maybe it makes sense to look at something which is not correlated, such as soybeans. And you can see here, what I would like to do is actually go against the short-term trend and go short soybeans. Why? Because I'm actually trading in the direction of the longer-term trend, which is pointing down. And as you can see here, we've got a really, really big resistance area going back to June of last year. Here, all these lows between 1,257 to 1,308 on this front-month futures contract. And we have also entered a resistance area here close to the January highs of this year. So for that reason, I'd like to short soybeans. So this week's trade of the week is to go short soybeans, soybean futures at around current levels with a stop loss above the late December highs at 1,327 and a downside target around 1,150.